Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a new app for your taskbar customization called Winhawk. You can see, and you can customize any of your taskbar setting. You can see if I click on the start icon, it's totally transparent. So you can also change the volume very easily into your taskbar. So without wasting any time, let's just start it. So first we will go to our Google Chrome browser and come over this search option and search for Winhawk. You can see. So if we now click on it, you will get the first server or website from winhawk.net. Click on that Winhawk. So it will redirect you to the official website for Windows. So without hesitation, just click on download and it will be downloaded very fast. You can see there are a lot of options to customize your taskbar. So before that, we will going to install it. For installing it, just click on it 2 times and click OK. And standard installations, click next. A security notification will pop up, click yes. And after that, you can see, click on next, and it will be installing. So minimize it and wait for installation complete. So you can see the installation is completed. Now if you click on finish, and the Winhawk app will be open automatically, and you can see it's opened perfectly. You can see. So if you have any problem to open it, just close it and then open it from here or icon, or you can go for the start menu, search Winhawk. Come over here, and here we will go for the explore options, and here you have a lot of options to customize your taskbar. You can see you can also change taskbar height and icon size. Also you can change taskbar volume control, taskbar color customizations, taskbar label for Windows 11. So the first thing I want to show you that Windows 11 start menu styler. Click on details and you will get the installation options over here. Before that, you can see over here, there are quite a lot of theme over here. You can see non-recommendations, side slide, side-by-side 2, and side-by-side minimal, and also transparent start menu. So before setting off any of these themes, you need to click on install to install it and click accept, please install. After the installation complete, you will get an option called settings, and if you come over this theme option, and you can get a lot of options over here. Before I show you in details, we will go for the transparent start menu and click save setting. And by this you can see, if we minimize it, you can see we get a transparent startup menu where you can see, or if you want to change it into side-by-side minimal and click save setting, so we will get this kind of interface into our startup menu. You can see, so there are quite of options we can see over here. So I will leave it as side-by-side and click save setting and minimize it. We can see it looks like this. So now I show you, if you place any of taskbar icon, you can change the volume. Are you gonna do it? If we go for taskbar volume control section, if we now install it, and after the installation you will get the setting option. So there you can see there are more task progress windows showing over here. You can see this is loading, and after finishing here, you can change the setting over here. If you place this cursor on any of icons, you can see you can change the volume by scrolling the mouse back. You can see it's very handy, right? So this app is basically the proper customization for your taskbar. You can do a lot of stuff over here. There are quite a lot of options. So this is for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this app is very handy for you. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.